Hey, fifth grade. So the next thing we're going to be doing with our personal hygiene or hygiene unit is we're going to be putting together a little demonstration that shows me that you guys can use personal hygiene. It's one thing to present those projects to me, which we did awesome on. People had really good ideas on them, but now you are going to be showing me how you use hygiene around the house. Okay, so it can be pictures if you want to take a quick video and put it into a Google Slides, or if you want to do pictures, put them into Google Slides. That's totally fine. But let's be trying to put this all into a Google Slides when we do it. Again, and the reason why that is if you're taking a bunch of pictures and you're trying to put them to Seesaw, then it can kind of get all jumbled up. So, some examples of things that we could do would maybe be some pictures of us brushing our teeth, or maybe it shows us taking care of our bedroom, because personal hygiene doesn't always have to be cleaning our bodies. It could also be cleaning the spaces that we live in. It could be picking up your bedroom. It could be putting your dirty clothes in the laundry bin where they go so that you'll wash them. It could be putting away your plates once you're done eating, but brushing your teeth, that's a great one too. I don't know, we might be a little young yet, but when you get a little bit older, washing your face before you go to bed, that's another good thing to do. So just think of ways that you can use personal hygiene or hygiene around the house, and then you'll make a Google Slides, and you can just share it with me once you've given it a title. Just make sure to have your name in the title, and then add pictures and videos of you yourself doing things around the house where you are using hygiene. So it could be a video of washing hands, it could be a video of brushing teeth, it could be pictures of it too. Or maybe if you want to do a how-to, you could do a 5 steps to how you should wash your hands. It is totally up to you. I want to see where your imaginations can go. I want to see what you can think of, and I want you guys to be creative with this. So take your time. This isn't something that you have to rush through and get done right away. You'll have a whole hour to get it done. So think of something cool. Maybe try to think of something different that maybe I won't see from somebody else. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with.